Hi friends, welcome to Thinkers IAS. In this video, let us learn about rulers of Gupta dynasty. The first important king of the Gupta dynasty was Chandragupta I. He married a Lichavi princess from Nepal, which strengthened his position. In ancient India, marriage alliance was one of the important means to expand the alliance, so he did the same. The Guptas were possibly Vaishyas, and hence marriage in a Kshatriya family gave them prestige. Now, this is important from exam point of view. Chandragupta I started the Gupta era in AD 319-20, which marked the date of his accession. Next important ruler was Samudragupta in AD 335 to 380. He was the son of Chandragupta I. So, the second important ruler, that is Samudragupta, is the son of Chandragupta I. He was the opposite of Ashoka. He believed in force. His court poet was Harisena. Please remember, Harisena was a famous poet during the period of Samudragupta. The inscription by Samudragupta is engraved at Allahabad on the same pillar as carries an inscription of the peace-loving Ashoka. This map shows the conquest of three kings of Gupta Empire. Grey area shows the conquest of Samudragupta during his period. It is more than compared to other kings. Samudragupta was an ambitious ruler and he expanded the dynasty to a considerable extent. The places and the countries conquered by Samudragupta can be divided into 5 groups. Group 1, princes of Ganga, Yamuna, Do. Group 2, the rulers of the eastern Himalayan states and frontier states such as princes of Nepal, Assam, Bengal, etc. Group 3, the forest kingdom situated in the Vindhya region, and Group 4, 12 rulers of the eastern Deccan, and Group 5, South India. He reached Kanchi in Tamil Nadu, where the Pallavas were compelled to recognize his suzerainty. That showed he reached as far as South India. According to a Chinese source, Meghavarman, the ruler of Sri Lanka, sent a missionary to Samudragupta for permission to build a Buddhist temple at Gaya. He was considered as Napoleon of India. That's it for today. You can download the PPT slides of videos in PDF format for ancient history. Link is provided in description box below, or you can also visit thinkersias.com/ancient PDF. Please download. It is very helpful for ancient history preparation for UPSC IAS. Please subscribe to Thinkers IAS and click on bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.